Hey Noah, this is Mrs. Skoglund, just giving a little bit of feedback, excuse me, on your summer assignment. And we're going to walk through mostly your L-directed empathy questions since that's the one you starred, but I will kind of reference a few other paragraphs as we're talking through this as well. So the first thing that I typically look for is your topic sentence, which should be one sentence at the start of your paragraph that really answers the question. And I think what you did, not just in this paragraph, but kind of throughout, was you sort of just restated the question, which in this case was basically how or why empathy was important in healthcare. And I don't know that you really told me like why that was in this sentence. You kind of just said it helped doctors diagnose the right course of recovery. Well, why was that? Like, how did that connect to empathy? I think I was looking for a little bit more of an answer to the question and not just sort of a restatement. So see if you can get that in there next time. I did think that you did a nice job with your concluding sentence, which we kind of almost want to be like a mirror of the topic sentence and, reworded, but sort of wrap everything up, tie back to the question. And what I liked better about this one is that you said empathy is crucial because they felt with the person, and so they were more likely to help the person and diagnose them correctly. So I thought that was a better concluding sentence. Next, I look for evidence, and I do want to encourage you, Noah, to go back and revise because I noticed in a lot of your paragraphs that you did not have two pieces of evidence. So like this one, you give me one example of, the anthrax example, but there's not a second one. And usually in body paragraphs, we do look for two pieces of evidence and commentary. Okay. Also, I want to encourage you to start getting in the habit of using direct quotes, and we'll talk about how to embed quotes here in the next few weeks, just because in pre-AP English 2, it's really important that you know how to get those quotes into your writing, and so I would have liked to see that there as well. Also on the evidence, in-text citations, it should just be the last name and the page number. Okay, so let's just make sure we're consistent on that in the future. And then commentary, I thought you did a pretty good job with commentary, like definitely on the right track. I just scored you down again because there weren't two pieces of it in each paragraph. There was typically just one. But I liked how you were like, this proves Pink's case that, the doctor had a gut feeling or whatever in the anthrax example. I think what you could work on is maybe tying that back to the question a little more directly. So like her gut feeling, how did that again connect to empathy? Like how is that, a representation of the chapter and the topic that Pink is talking about? And then lastly, Noah, I would just encourage you to really pay attention to conventions. I noticed some second person you in here, which is just like a little bit too informal for paragraph writing. We want to stay away from a lot of those personal pronouns, especially you. And then like up here when I'm reading, Daniel Pink discovered how important empathy was in the field of healthcare. It improved the experience of the patients. So notice that's almost like two separate sentences. So I would encourage you to read out loud and make sure you don't have kind of those run-on things going on in your writing. And we'll work on that this year, okay? All right, R-directed, I enjoyed reading those, and I'm trying to find the one that I was going to point out to you. Maybe it's up here. Okay, yeah. The TED Talk, I enjoyed reading your reflection of this. I had never heard of this guy or watched his TED Talk, but I definitely have gotten those spam emails in the past, and so I thought it was funny that he, I don't know, kind of like trolls this guy back is what I'm getting from your paragraph. So that just sounded like a really interesting TED Talk. So anyway, just wanted to give you a little bit of feedback on your project.